Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by confirming prerequisites. Make sure the lost Android is associated with your Google account and that Find My Device was previously enabled. Once done, open a browser or the Find My Device app on another device and sign in with the same Google account. You do this because remote lock and erase only work when the phone is linked and reachable. If location appears, note the timestamp and battery level, so you can choose locking versus erasing wisely. Now continue with the core actions. From Find My Device, prioritize Ring if you think the phone is nearby. That helps physically retrieve it. If not, choose Lock to set a new PIN and display a recovery message and phone number. This prevents unauthorized access while giving a finder instructions. Only choose Erase when recovery is unlikely, since wiping removes location capability and signs you out of the account. Make sure to record any displayed information and update account passwords after locking or erasing. Finish by securing related accounts and notifying authorities. Contact your carrier to suspend service and share the IMEI if you have it, because that helps block the device on networks. Change your Google password plus banking and two-factor apps to prevent access through cached credentials. If the device was offline, make sure to return to Find My Device and retry actions. Commands execute once it reconnects. If remote actions fail, verify you used the correct Google account and that the phone has internet and location services enabled before it went off.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.